You will hear many different sounds while using a BabyBeat Doppler. It will pick up your heartbeat along with the baby's. This is especially true early in pregnancy. The further along you get, the easier it will be to hear the baby's heartbeat. Here are some examples of sounds you can expect to pick up with the BabyBeat. Here is the sound of fetal blood flow. It is a much faster pulse than yours. The fetal heartbeat at only 10 weeks. Notice how fast the heart rate is at this stage. Some fetal heart sounds at 16 weeks. The sharper sounds are the baby's heart valves already opening and closing. Some fetal heart sounds at 35 weeks. You can notice that repositioning the probe picks up different sounds. Maternal sounds. Your arterial sounds are at the same pace as your heartbeat. Venous sounds vary with many things, like breathing. Placental sounds, often said to sound like the wind in the trees. Fetal movement. Maybe your baby is waving at you, or just getting more comfortable.